What would you do if you were just chilling and suddenly encountered wild animals? Find out more as we showcase 40 scariest animal encounters caught on camera. Before that, subscribe and hit that notification bell so we can enjoy more of nature's wonders. Let's get started. The young couple is dating and enjoying romance at night by the swimming pool. And suddenly, there's a smuggler, a young alligator. The boyfriend immediately gets out and leaves the girlfriend behind. Well, luckily, the girlfriend manages to escape from the jaws of the gator. After this, they may break up the relationship. Well, luckily, it was a young alligator because a grown crocodile is on another level. A group of family members was strolling around when they caught two lions fighting. They didn't expect the lions to hit their car. It was reported that their car was damaged and has to be taken to a repair shop. In this CCTV footage, it was captured that a leopard is taking a stroll in a school in India. Be careful when you are near the lake. The fish was probably used as bait. In this shocking video, the motorcyclist has to stop riding when encountering two snakes rolling around together in the middle of the road. What a strange view. When the rainy season arrives, you have to be careful with these cold-blooded predators. You may wonder why this family looked so panicked, and they hurriedly entered the house. Turns out it was a black mamba, which is one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. Luckily, they managed to get inside on time. The last thing I want from this world is for a monitor lizard to enter my house. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, myth says that when a monitor lizard enters the house, it's a sign that unexpected blessings are coming. He said that when a monitor lizard is captured, they will pretend to be dead to deceive humans. A farmer who was working suddenly encountered a lost elephant. The panicked elephant immediately attacked the farmer. Luckily, the farmer was able to quickly flee and hide due to quick detection. If you are in the middle of the sea and encounter a sea snake, you better not touch it. Otherwise, you will die from its poison. In Africa, these people managed to catch a crocodile that was disturbing the peace of the residents. And then, there is this mother.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Meanwhile, in Florida, alligators are like their own cats. Meanwhile, in another part of the world, an elephant seal is taking a casual walk in the local park in New Zealand.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
This bow hunter has a really close encounter with a huge grizzly bear. A cow escaped from its pen and went berserk around the neighborhood, damaging fences and chasing nearby residents. They probably need this man to be a cow handler. Don't get too close to wild animals because they may charge at you at any time.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Moreover, bison charging is very dangerous. They are large and powerful animals. When they charge, it can inflict serious injuries, even to a Karis shown in this clip.
Oh, we hit it. Oh my gosh. Video, Dan.
Patrick's videotaping it. Oh, it tore the bumper off.
Well, if only a goat's charge were as dangerous as a bison's, this guy would probably not be doing this. During a hike, a family group encounters a mountain lion in the Amazon forest. They were frozen for a while because mountain lions are known for their aggressive behavior, and they may get attacked in a second. Well, luckily, they recorded it because cameramen never die. The man recording this was fishing and struggling while reeling in his fishing line. He thought he got a good catch, and turns out it was a huge alligator.
Is not a stick. Oh my god, that's not a stick at all. Holy sh!
CCTV footage captures a huge black bear stalking humans. We have no idea what happens next. What would you do if an alligator were stalking your house in the middle of the night?
Leave it alone. I have a gun.
Something unexpected happened when this girl finished playing on the flying fox. Probably this gator wants to have some fun too. This gorilla seems to be sick of the humans watching it. Look at the crack in the glass with just one punch. Their strength is amazing. We hope you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing to stay updated on future content. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and check out some of our other videos, and thanks for watching.